Hello guys, today we're gonna change the engine oil filter. So let's go, start it. So look over here, this is the inspection part here. Now let's do it. Help me. Okay. Oh, it's a little short. It's better use this. Then we can do it. Now you can see it's deeper. So I have to need this. Be careful, do not lose it. Yes, we get it out.
Okay.
Now this. You should hold it or it will drop out. Now, so look, the engine oil filter is here. So see, we have the inspection part here. We're gonna change it. Okay, this time we use this. Just put it in it. Do something. Okay. Yes, I moved it. One more. Oh, yes, I get it wrong. Oh, yeah. Now you see.
Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna change the new one. Change the new engine oil filter. Okay, so let's do it.
Okay, let's put it back.
Put it back, yeah.
Because this is new, so we just put it back. When you do it, you should be careful. One more. Then you need this. Now, just do it. It's okay. Then we can.
Oh, it's lovely.
Yes.
Feel comfortable.
Oh, bad luck. We should like this. If you cannot let your tools down. One. Oh yes, I got it out.
You finished?
No, when we did it, we should put it back.
Okay, let me give you the screw. Here.
Oh, thank you. This just yeah. Oh.
Okay.
One.
Here.
I need this. Oh. Bad luck. I think I should put this one in first. Oh, it's a little hard. I just do this. Give me that one. Okay. My tools. Because my tool is old, maybe I should do like this. Oh, good. I did it. Oh, thank you.
No rush.
Oh. This machine just needed me to beat him. Then it came in. Yes. Okay, now we're done.
Okay, thank you, Felix, very much. Okay, guys, now we change the engine oil filter. That's it. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.